The purpose of this lab was to transform copper through 5 different reactions and see how much we could recover in the end.
First, we measured out approximately 0.5 grams of copper wire, which we placed in a 250 milliliter beaker.
Then, under the fume hood, we added 5 milliliters of concentrated nitric acid.
After the reaction completely ceased, we added 100 milliliters of distilled water.
Next, we added 30 milliliters of sodium hydroxide and stirred it into the copper solution.
After observing the formation of a copper hydroxide precipitate, we heated the mixture over a Bunsen burner.
When it reached its boiling point, we removed the suspension from the heat and allowed the black copper oxide to settle for several minutes or until the beaker was cool to the touch.
Then we decanted the supernatant liquid and discarded it, heated up 200 milliliters of distilled water, added that to the solid copper oxide, stirred and decanted once more.
After that, we added 15 milliliters of sulfuric acid and stirred.
Under the fume hood, we added 2 grams of zinc metal to reduce the copper ions to solid metal, stirred, and waited for the reaction to completely stop.
We checked to see if the solution was colorless, and because it still had a slight blue tint, we added more zinc to completely remove all the copper from the solution.
Next, we decanted the supernatant liquid, leaving solid copper behind.
To remove any excess zinc, we added 20 milliliters of hydrochloric acid and allowed it to react. However, there was no apparent reaction even after an extended period of time.
After adding 50 milliliters of distilled water to the beaker, we removed it from the hood, stirred, and decanted.
Following that, we transferred the entire solid to an evaporating dish, washed it with small amounts of distilled water to aid with the transfer, added 10 more milliliters of distilled water, stirred, and decanted again.
We washed the solid with distilled water 2 more times and then washed it once with 5 milliliters of acetone.
Finally, we evaporated the remaining acetone by heating the evaporating dish over a hot plate, stirring occasionally while it was drying.
After the evaporating dish had cooled, we weighed the remaining copper and compared it to our original results.